Yahuah, multiply the gifts you placed inside of me. Not for my name, not for my comfort, but for your purpose alone. Teach my hands to serve, teach my mouth to speak with wisdom. Teach my heart to love what you love and reject everything that grieves you. Lead me by your set-apart spirit, place me exactly where you desire. Let my footsteps follow your voice, let my life become an answer to your will. All I want is more of you, more of your presence, more of your truth, more of your Yahuah moving through me. Take every corner of my heart, leave nothing untouched. Multiply your work within me, Yahuah. You are my only goal. Teach me to pray beyond routine, draw me into deeper places. Open my eyes to what your spirit is revealing. Sharpen my ears to hear your whisper. Give me discernment without pride, wisdom without fear, compassion without compromise. Let my life bear abundant fruit. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. May every season reveal your hand upon my life. Carry me deeper than my flesh can follow. Lift me higher than fear can reach. Transform me until every desire bows before you. All I want is more of you, more of your presence, more of your truth, more of your Yahuah moving through me. Take every corner of my heart, leave nothing untouched. Multiply your work within me, Yahuah. You are my only goal. Take me so deep that sin cannot cling to me. Raise me so high, move me so swiftly that the enemy cannot overtake me. Hide me beneath your mercy, strengthen me by your spirit. Establish every step, order every word. Let obedience become my delight. I surrender my plan, I surrender my ambitions, I surrender tomorrow. I belong to you. Here I am, a blood-covered soul, standing before you, waiting for your instruction. My ears are open, my hands are ready, my heart is yours. Speak and I will follow, lead and I will obey. Send and I will go. More of you, less of me, more of your wisdom, less of my understanding, more of your strength, less of my striving, more of your holiness, less of my flesh. Multiply the gifts within me, multiply the fruit upon me, multiply the lives you touch through me, Yahuah. You are my beginning, you are my ending, you are my only goal. Until my final breath, keep drawing me closer, keep making me cleaner.